Did you know the benefits of making tea from orange peels? This might come as a surprise to many, but this fragrant citrus fruit is more than just a refreshing snack or a tangy ingredient. The peel, often discarded, is a treasure trove of health benefits. Imagine the humble orange peel dried and steeped in hot water, releasing its subtle flavors and potent nutrients into a warm, soothing brew. The process is simple, and the results are truly remarkable. To start, select fresh organic oranges. Wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt or residues, then using a sharp knife carefully cut the peel off. Try to avoid the white pith, as it can make your tea taste bitter. Once you have your orange peels, it's time to dry them. You can do this by simply placing them in a cool, dry place for a few days until they are completely dry. Alternatively, if you're short on time, you can dry them in an oven set at a very low temperature. Now onto the exciting part, making the tea. Take a handful of dried orange peels and add them to a pot of boiling water. Allow it to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, and voila! Your orange peel tea is ready to be enjoyed. Strain the tea into a cup, add a touch of honey if you prefer, and savor the warm, citrusy goodness. But why go through all this trouble, you ask? The benefits of orange peel tea are manifold. It's a natural booster for the immune system thanks to its high vitamin C content. It aids in digestion and can help with weight loss. It's also a great source of antioxidants which combat harmful free radicals in the body. For nursing mothers, orange peel tea is a boon. It's known to increase breast milk and enhance its quality, providing essential nutrients for both mother and baby. So there you have it, a simple step-by-step process to make your own orange peel tea at home. A brew that is not just refreshing and delicious, but also packed with health benefits. A testament to the fact that sometimes the best things come from the most unexpected sources. So the next time you enjoy an orange, remember to save those peels. They're more valuable than you might think.